Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox had a update today. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, you will be sent to version 141.0.2, and this fixes two bugs. One of them, if you had an outdated Nvidia driver for your graphics adapter, Firefox would not start and would just crash. So that is one of the fixes. So instead of forcing you to update your NVIDIA drivers that are too old, they just fixed what was not working right by detecting what version of the drivers you got for your NVIDIA cards. And this is, what I mean when I say it's complex on the PC for software and for Windows to work, because there's a lot of things like that, including outdated drivers that users have on their systems. And, for most people, that's kind of something they don't understand really, but that cause issues. And the other bug that is fixed is that the canvas was actually, you could drag the canvas around, which would cause all sorts of issues and compatibility problems in the browsing. So that also was fixed in the Firefox browser. So 141.0.2, there is no security updates in here. It's really just purely bug fixes, and it was released today, August 5th. So you should have it, or it should, if you don't look at it and you use Firefox, you should be updated automatically at some point within the next hours or days. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.